Disaster just hit your home. Water's spreading, smoke is soaking in, and contractors are already knocking. Here's how to choose the right one fast. Restoration jobs are urgent. Insurance usually pays, and the work hides inside walls. That combination attracts bad actors who know you're under pressure. First, confirm their California contractor license at cslb.ca.gov. Search the company name. No license number on the spot? Walk away. Second, get a certificate of insurance in writing, general liability and workers' comp. If a worker gets hurt in your home without coverage, you could be liable. Third, look for IICRC certification. That credential means your technician was trained in the actual science of drying, not just the labor. Fourth, read the authorization form carefully. Watch for assignment of benefits language that hands control of your insurance claim to the contractor before your adjuster is involved. Fifth, ask who actually does the work. Many companies subcontract. That's not always bad, but know who's showing up to your home. Red flags to watch: round number estimates without a moisture meter, pressure to sign before your insurer is notified, and no daily drying logs on a water job. Don't let urgency lead you to the wrong contractor. Do the 5 checks, trust the data, and call Mold Solutionz 24/7 LLC at 714 40